Hello student, this is El-Refaei math teacher for both AS and A2 level. Today we're going to solve exponential equations related to chapter 2. Now, before we solve exponential equation, please revise the logarithmic rules. Question number 1. Solve the equation 4 to the power x minus 1 equals 3 to the power x, giving your answer to 4 decimal places. Now I'm going to back to the O-level. We use in O-level to solve exponential equation one case that where the two bases are the same. For example, 2 to the power 9 equals 2 to the power x minus 4. In O-level, before we solve any exponential equation, we have to check that they both have the same base, and according to that, the powers will be equal. X equals 30. In A-level, we are not sharing the same bases. So how are we going to solve this exponential equation? We're going to use the logarithmic rules. I'm going to say 4 to the power x minus 1 equals 3 to the power x. I'm going to multiply my equation by whatever the base is. Doesn't make difference. I'm going to use the standard base, log to the base 10. If you want to use base 3, base 5, you're going to get the same answer. Okay, so I will have log to the base 10, 4 power x minus 1 equals log base 10, 3 to the power x. Why I had to multiply by a log? To be able to move the power to become a coefficient. So x minus 1 by log 4 to the base 10 equals x log 3 to the base 10. Then I'm going to do expansion here. It will be x log 4 to the base 10 minus log 4 to the base 10 equals x log 3 to the base 10. I'm going to combine the x terms. X log 4 to the base 10 minus x log 3 to the base 10 equals log 4 to the base 10. I'm going to have x a common factor. X, open bracket, log 4 to the base 10 minus log 3 to the base 10 equals log 4 to the base 10. So x by log 4 over 3 to the base 10 equals log 4 to the base 10. X equals log 4 to the base 10 divided by log 4 over 3 to the base. So I will have log 4 to the base 10 divided by log 4 over 3 to the base 10. I have to write my answer to 4 decimal places. It will be 4, round to be 4.8188. Don't forget to do a check. Okay, let's move to question number 2. Same method, same way. Use logarithms to solve equation 2 to the power 5x equals 3 to the power 2x plus 1. Give you the answer correct to 3 significant figures. As I said before, the problem is the power. So how can I move the power? I have to multiply by log. I'm going to say log 2 to the power of x equals log 3 to the power 2x plus 1. It will be of x by log 2 equals 2x plus 1 by log 3. 5x log 2 equals, do expansion, 2x log 3 plus log 3, 5x log 2 minus 2x log 3 equals log 3, have x common factor, x by log 5 log 2 minus 2 log 3 equals log 3. You can combine them by say x times log 2 to the power. So x, you can combine these two terms by right log 2 to the power 5 over 9 equals log 3. So x equals log 3 divided by log 2 to the power 5 over 9. X equals to 3 significant figures. So 3 equals to 3 significant figures 0.866. Let's move to another question. Question number 3. Use substitution. U equals 4 to the power x. Solve the equation 4 to the power x plus 16 equals 4 to the power x plus 2, giving your answer correct to 3 significant figures. Now I'm going to revise the exponential rules. When I'm adding powers, it means I have two similar places. The relationship between them is multiplication. I'm going to rewrite 4 to the power x plus 2 to be 4 to the power x by 4 squared. So actually I have 4 to the power x plus 16 equals 4 to the power x by 4 squared. I'm going to use substitution. It will be u plus 16 equals 4 squared 16. It will be 16 u. Simplify 16 equals 15 u. So u equals 16 over 15. Now, actually u is 4 to the power x, which equals 16 over 15. I'm going back to the logarithmic rules and multiply by log. Log 4 to the power x, log 4 to the power x equals log 16 over 15. Move x to become a coefficient. X log 4 equals log 16 divided by 15. X equals log 16 over 15, all of them divided by log 4. I'm going to have the answer to 3 significant figures. So the answer will be for three significant figures around to be 0.0466. Don't forget to do check. Substitute x by this value. Okay, let's move to the last question. It's a past paper question. Use the substitution u equals 3 to the power x or otherwise solve correct to three significant figures. The equation 3 to the power x equals 2 plus 3 to the power negative x. I'm going to revise the exponential rules. You know that the power negative power, you have to flip it to make it positive. So 3 to the power negative x, it's 1 over 3 to the power x. Let's solve it. 3 to the power x equals 2 plus 1 over 3 to the power x. I'm going to switch to 3x and write the letter u. U equals 2 plus 1 over u. Then I'm going to multiply the whole equation by u. This method, we learn it at AS. To convert it to quadratic, I'm going to multiply it by u. In the same time, I'm going to remove the u in the denominator. So it will be u squared equals 2u plus 1. I convert it to be quadratic. U squared minus 2u minus 1 equals 0. I have to find the value of u. I'm going to use the general formula. It's a mathematical method. U equals 2 plus minus, I have to show it to the examiner, negative 2 squared minus 4 by 1 by negative 1 over 2. And I will have two answers, u1 and u2. u1 will be 1 plus root 2. u2 will be 1 minus root 2. Okay. U, as you know, it's a 3 to the power x. As you know, u is equal to 3 to the power x. So 3 to the power x equals 1 plus root 2. Multiply both sides by log. Log 3 to the power x equals log 1 plus root 2. Move x to become a coefficient. X log 3 equals log 1 plus root 2. X equals log 1 plus root 2 over log 3. The answer for three significant figures for the first value of x is 0.802, around to be 0.802. Okay, let's move to the second one. 3 to the power x equals 1 minus root 2. I'm going to multiply both sides by log. Same steps. X log 3 equals log 1 minus root 2. By the way, this is a negative value. If going back to the calculator, will be a negative value, and according to that, I will have math error. Math error. Why? Because this is a negative value, and we said log should not hold a negative value. According to that, x is a math error. So I don't have another answer. I will have one answer only, which is 0.802. I hope today's class is clear, students. Please solve more exercises and see you in another class. See you then.